Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Denise. Today I will do an unboxing video. Introduce to you the Deerma spray mop microfiber TB500 which I recently got from Shopee. This is the head of the mop which can rotate, and next the water tank which can fill up to 350 ml of water and detergents. And next is the spray, the replaceable cloth, and they also provided the free holder. Include the manual guide and the warranty card. We will demo to you guys how to assemble it. First, fill the water and then fix it in. It's really easy, guys. It's in. And next, put the cloth on the mop head. It's really tight. As you can see, it doesn't come out, and fix it in. So now let's try to do some mopping. Wow, the coverage area after we spray the water is quite huge. I think it covers up to 100 square meters. Now let's try wipe. Whoa, the stain go off immediately. You can easily get this from Shopee. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe button and share it out to your family and friends out there. Bye guys. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.